Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super easy and practical DIY project. Making your own face mask in just 5 minutes. Yep, you heard that right. No complicated sewing skills needed, just a few simple steps. And you'll be rocking a stylish and safe face mask. Let's get started. First, gather your materials. You'll need 2 pieces of fabric. Cotton works great. About 9 by 6 inches each. Elastic bands 2 pieces, about 6 to 7 inches long. Scissors. A ruler or measuring tape. A pen or pencil. A sewing machine or needle and thread. Don't worry if you don't have a sewing machine, hand sewing works just fine. Pins optional, but helpful. Alright, ready to roll? First, take your 2 fabric pieces and place them on top of each other, right sides facing in. This means the pretty sides of your fabric are touching. If you're using patterned fabric, make sure the patterns are facing each other. Next, grab your ruler and measure about ½ inch from the edge. On 3 sides of your fabric sandwich, you're going to sew a seam along these 3 sides. If you're using pins, now is the time to pin them along the edges. To keep everything in place, sew along the edges, leaving one of the short sides open. Now, flip your mask right side out. This is where you turn the fabric inside out. So the pretty sides are now on the outside. You should now have a little fabric pouch. Next, fold over the open edges about ½ inch. And press them down with your fingers or an iron if you have one. This creates a nice, clean edge for the next step. Now, it's time to create the channels for the elastic. On each of the shorter sides of the mask, fold over about ½ inch again and sew along the edge, leaving a small opening on each side. This creates a tunnel for the elastic. Thread your elastic through the channels. You can use a safety pin attached to one end of the elastic to help guide it through. Once the elastic is through, tie the ends of the elastic together in a knot. Make sure the elastic is snug but not too tight. Tuck the knot inside the channel, so it's hidden, and then sew the opening closed. Repeat this process for the other side. And voila, you've just made a face mask. Give it a final press with your fingers or an iron if you want, and your mask is ready to wear. To wear your mask, simply put the elastic loops around your ears and adjust it until it fits snugly across your nose and mouth. Make sure it covers your nose and mouth completely. Remember to wash your mask regularly. You can hand wash it with soap and water or toss it in the washing machine. Let it air dry or tumble dry on low heat. There you have it, a super easy, quick, and fun DIY face mask project. You can customize your mask with different fabrics, patterns, and even add some cute embellishments. This is a fantastic project for beginners, and a great way to use up fabric scraps. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more DIY projects, tips, and tricks. And remember, stay safe, stay stylish, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.